Crown grips are a unique, one-of-a-kind product used in conjunction with TempOff temporary remover. After you've successfully removed your temporary with TempOff and you're trying in your permanent crown, you'll find in some instances the crown gets stuck. This crown is overly retentive and you can't retrieve the crown. This is where your crown grips come in. Simply push the grip onto each beak of the TempOff instrument. As soon as you feel the metal, stop here. As you can see, this method lines up the grips with the beak tip perfectly. Now go to your stuck crown and seat the grips all the way down to the gum line. As you can see, the foam grips are locked in over the crest of contour. At this point, simply rock and rotate gently to free up the crown. Very light squeezing of the handle is all that's needed to free up your stuck permanent crown. For further information, visit artcraftdental.com.